Thank you for tuning into this late night show. We will be having a conversation with the two final candidates.
Thank you for letting me be here today.
Same here.
You're very welcome. What will you do if you are elected?
I will go around the world kissing people's butts. Then I will become an idiot in the psych ward. I am an official stupid idiot.
I'm an even bigger idiot because I have been kissing people's butts longer.
Ha 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 ha. That was all very funny. Ha ha. Voting polls will open at 6 in the morning on Tuesday. This has been a late night show with David Letterman. Thank you and good night.